favorite spot natin. Starting point lang pala. O ito. Accept natin, $5, 5 kilometers yan, 1:1. Teka, ikot lang
Head
ako.
to your pickup at Wendy's 17911 56th Avenue.
May kumakain pa ba sa inyo sa Wendy's? Dito di ba yung may ano, yung salad? Bibigyan kayo ng plato tapos pupunuin niyo yung salad. Nasubukan niyo yun? Ganyan lang siya. So, ingatan natin baka tumapa. Order number 2 para kay Justin. Yeah, meet at door lang siya. And it's an apartment. So, okay. Let's go.
Justin Age says, meet at door, drop off on the right.
Canvas dun. Dito na tayo mag-park. Oh. Justin? Yeah, hi. Good morning. They didn't give me a tray for the drinks. Only. Right.
Thank you so
Thanks. Is there a pin?
much.
No?
I don't think so.
Okay, thank you.
Fantastic.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. O yun, bumaba siya. Order number 2 done.